Right, so today we're learning about the different types of angles. Now there's 6 different types of angles. So the first type of angle is an acute angle. Now an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So this is an example. So they're less than 90 degrees. Okay, so they can be 1 all the way up through to 89 and a little bit extra, but they're smaller than 90 degrees. Now the next type of angle is a right angle, and they always have this little corner angle measurement rather than a curved one, and a right angle is 90 degrees exactly. Okay, if it's slightly more or slightly less, then it's not a right angle anymore. If it's slightly more, then it becomes what we call an obtuse angle. Okay, so this is an example of an obtuse angle. So they're greater than 90 degrees, but they're smaller than 180 degrees. Okay, so they're over 90, but not quite 180. Because once you get to 180 degrees, exactly, that's what we call a straight angle. Okay, so they're 180 degrees exactly. So much like a right angle, it needs to be exact for it to count. And you can see it's called a straight because it looks straight. Okay, so if this is sort of like the peak of the angle, you can see it's perfectly flat. The next one is called a reflex. Now, the interesting thing about a reflex is there's quite a big range of what is accepted as a reflex, okay? But what you can see here, if we're looking at this part of the angle where the circle is, they're greater than 180 degrees, but they're less than 360 degrees. So that's quite a big range of things that can be classified as a reflex compared to the other angles, okay? And the last type is a revolution. It is known by other names, but in Australia, the most appropriate term that is used is a revolution. And that is an angle that has gone completely the whole way around, meeting back at the start, and they are 360 degrees exactly. So they are the 6 different types of angles.